Doing it, Wesley? You looking at the water down there? Look at Wesley. They're looking down at the water. We're way up on this bridge here. Look. See, we're way up here. But these boys wanted to stop and look through the grating here. Or the rails. Sarah, you need to let them out of this cage. And
Logan,
since we're so close.
Yeah, I guess I could.
Yeah.
I guess I could.
Let the boys look.
Barefoot now. He's barefoot now.
He's barefooted.
He ran.
Okay.
He walked his shoes off.
Okay, Logan.
Look with Logan.
Logan and Wesley want to look out. They're reaching out. Look at the boys.
Oh, that's really good.
Look at the boys walking along the... It's real high up here. Quite frankly, these boys are...
Wesley's head.
Oh
my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh, Wesley! Wesley! Oh, Wesley, come here! Oh! See mommy. Come here!
Oh! Wow!
Crazy mom!
I got a couple good pictures of him.
Alright!
See? He's gonna be walking.
He's
By
gotta
himself.
touch the... Gotta feel the road. Stand up, baby. Kayak. Stand up. Stand up.
These boys are high up here. Looking down the river here.
There's a kayak.
This may be the Flint River. I'm not sure.
Wanna go see? Wanna see?
There's a kayak coming into here. Where'd you put in at?
Oh, I just put him down here and paddled up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is this the Flint River?
Yeah.
Thought so. Boys? What are you doing, boys?
Don't lick it. No. Vitamins.
What you boys doing?
Oh.
We're real high, boys. We're real high.
What happened? You hit his head. You hit your head again? Come here.
Don't bonk your
Logan.
head.
Logan,
He's bonking his head.
Logan, look at Papa.
Lick it.